What's going on, everybody? Captain Granite back here again. Never riding a motorcycle. Never again. Okay, whoa. Not right now. Not right now. So what's going on, everybody? Captain Granite here again, and got a new motovlog today. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. If you'd like to, hit that subscribe button. And for everyone that has been here already, welcome back. And for all of you, if you'd like to, just hit that thumbs up button. It's gonna be a good one. So, never riding a motorcycle again. One day it's gonna hit us all. It's going to. And this video might not pertain to people who don't ride, but that's okay, because the message is sound. It's universal almost. It's basically never being able to drive again as well. What happens when we get to that point? Not being able to ride again. And I'm talking no motorcycle, no side-by-side, no spiders, no trikes, nothing. You have to, something happens in your life where you just cannot do it anymore. So, you know, my answer might be a little surprising for people. You know, I've only been riding for about 7-ish, 8-ish years now, and I'm 32. So I started riding a little bit late in my life compared to a lot of other people. So, you know, I never really had the, you know, I'm gonna ride motorcycle bug until later on. And, you know, I'm glad it did finally bite me, because I love it. It's an extension of my life, and honestly, I'd be pretty damn sad if I couldn't do it ever again. You know, we're all gonna hit that point in our life where we can't, and you know, this saddens me, but that just means one thing to me. I need to add more miles on this bike, or whatever bike I have in the future, to add more to my life. Now, I've always kind of wanted to go moto camping, I guess they call it, motorcycle camping, moto camping. Gorilla Biker did a video on it where him and one of his mates went, and honestly, that's exactly what I want to do, exactly what he did. And I'll put a link to that video, probably in a card on the thing. It'll drop down, you'll see it's a little exclamation point thingy or an eye. I've been starting to add those into the videos. It's fairly new to me. Motorcycle riding in itself has given me so much opportunity in life. Just from the people I've met, and I'm not even including motovlogging in this, because you guys know I've said it until I'm like basically blue in the face, how wonderful this motorcycle community is and how many great people I've met through it. I get to connect with my father more from it. My father-in-law rides sometimes. I've met a great group of people around here that ride, and it's just such a common thing for my life to be around now. And not having that just seems like it'd be a little strange. So I mean, even going to Laconia Bike Week has much more meaning for me now, because I used to go to it without a motorcycle, and that's like being a country singer at a metal concert. It doesn't really go together at all. So now that I actually have a motorcycle, going to it, I feel like I'm one with them. All them hooligans, all them weirdos. So the question I raise to all of you, and you know, I don't even know what the hell, why did I think of this? It stirred me from my slumber. Kind of. I had to pee. What if I could never ride again? It's a weird freaking thought to think of. Because, you know, in my head, this truck could pull out in front of me right now. You know, I could go down. I'm gonna get back up. Make that one thing clear. I'm getting back up. But would I have that mindset of being like, I don't want to shit on PTSD, because that's a real fucking thing. And people that do have it have my heart, because I couldn't imagine just being okay 1 second and then getting triggered and brought back to that moment of your traumatic stress. You know, it's just shit that people like that have to go through all that. But would I be able to go and get back on a motorcycle and not think every single vehicle that comes out to a side road is gonna come out in front of me? Could I do that? Could I get mentally over that? As I sit right here right now, yes, I think I can. I don't know that. I don't know that until it happens. If it happens. Just if. I don't want to be one of those that it's going to happen. Or when it happens, that no. I want to be in my happy zone. I want to be in my happy bubble. My happy bubble. So yeah, that's just like a thought that came to my head, and I'm just like, damn. I'm like, never riding again would frickin' suck. But I could live without it. It's not necessarily needed in my life. I made it before. Squirrel. I can make it again. This adds much more meaning to my life. And other stuff does too. I'm using this as a catalyst to just say, you know what? This bike is an extension of me. And one day it will be gone. So until that day, I am going to ride this motorcycle, or any other bike that I do ride, with nothing but happiness and gratitude for being able in my life to live the way I would like to, how I would like to, and wherever this bike takes me, I'll be happy. So down in the comments below, tell me what motorcycle riding means to you, and when that day comes that you're no longer able to ride, what does that take from you? I want to thank you all for being here, watching my videos. It means everything to me, you know. I'm only able to do this for a short window throughout the year because of winter wants to just piss in my Cheerios. But having you here with me, thank you. So be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you'd like to, hit that subscribe button. And until the next one, this is Captain Granite. Later.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.